Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you curious about what's next for Bitcoin after it recently hit the $26,000 mark? You're in the right place. We're breaking down why BTC is making waves again, thanks to the SEC giving a green light to Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. We'll also talk about how Bitcoin seems to be a safe choice for many during tough world events. So, if you're into cryptocurrency or just getting started, stick around. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest updates. The BTC-USD pair went up by 0.25% today, reaching a price of $26,916. People in the cryptocurrency community are talking a lot about this. They are hopeful and guessing about what will happen next. The reason for this increase is that the SEC, which is a government organization, recently said yes to Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. This made the price of BTC go up. Also, Bitcoin is becoming more popular because prices for other things are not going up a lot, low inflation, and there are some big problems happening in the world, geopolitical tensions. So, some people are wondering if this means Bitcoin is going to change direction and go up even more. SEC's green light for Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF drives BTC prices higher. Bitcoin BTC prices are going up because of a very important change in the cryptocurrency world. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has decided not to oppose a crucial decision by the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. This decision allows Grayscale Investments LLC to start a Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund, ETF. The news about this decision came out on Friday, and it's a big deal for the digital currency market. The court's decision, made by 3 judges at first, was waiting for a possible review by more judges. However, the SEC decided not to oppose this decision, which means Grayscale can now become an ETF. Grayscale has been saying for a while that becoming an ETF will be good for investors because it will make it easier to buy and sell shares. Right now, it's not easy to do that, and some people have complained about it. They couldn't sell their shares when the price of Bitcoin was low, so they lost money. With a Bitcoin ETF, it will be easier for people to trade, and more people might want to join the market. This important change is making Bitcoin prices go up today, and it's a big deal for the cryptocurrency world. Bitcoin surges amidst low inflation and geopolitical tensions. Bitcoin, BTC, is making a strong comeback. And one reason is the recent Consumer Price Index, CPI, data. This data has shown that when inflation is low, Bitcoin tends to do well. In September, the CPI report said that inflation went down by 0.2% compared to August. This news made Bitcoin go up by 12%, reaching a price of $28,050 on Friday. People who study the cryptocurrency market think that even though there are worries about what's happening in the world and Bitcoin's price hit its lowest point in 2023, it might go up again and reach $30,000. This would show that Bitcoin is still a good way to protect against inflation. Bitcoin's strength during these uncertain times shows that it's attractive to investors looking for a safe place to put their money when the world is in chaos. Right now, there is a sad situation happening with the conflict between Israel and Palestine. Many people, including women and children, have died in Israeli air attacks, and people around the world are saying it's wrong. The leader of the United Nations, Antonio Guterres, is asking for the evacuation orders in northern Gaza to be rethought because he's worried that things could get even worse and more people could get hurt. Bitcoin price. Today, the price of Bitcoin is around $26,892, which is a small increase of 0.04% from yesterday. This small change is based on a lot of trading, nearly $4.8 billion worth. Bitcoin is still the leading cryptocurrency, holding the top spot on CoinMarketCap. Its total market value is about $524.79 billion. Right now, there are about 19.5 million Bitcoin coins out there, getting closer to the set limit of 21 million coins. Bitcoin price prediction. Looking at Bitcoin's technical side, its 4-hour chart gives us some information. We see a pivot point at $26,450, and there are points where it might go up or down. $28,050, $29,000, $30,550, and $25,430, $23,900, $22,875, respectively. When we look at a specific indicator called the Relative Strength Index, RRSI, it's at 46, which suggests a bit of a bearish feeling because it's below the middle point of 50. We don't have the exact numbers for another indicator called the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, yet, but we watch its trends and changes to understand where the market might be going. Also, there's something called the 50-day Exponential Moving Average, EMA, which is at $27,100, and Bitcoin's price is lower than that, which could mean a short-term bearish trend. If we look at how Bitcoin's price is moving, it seems to be going back and forth between $26,900 and $26,500 mostly. So, as long as Bitcoin's price stays below $27,100, we can think that the overall trend is bearish. That's it for today's video. We hope you got some great insights into the current Bitcoin market. What are your thoughts on the future of BTC? Could it break the $30,000 barrier soon? Leave your comments below, and if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. Until next time, happy investing.